Jake's out on Fabrication here. I got another brilliant idea. Cool custom build. A time saver. The most awesomest grass cutting, removal, cut your time in half device ever created. No, actually I think they sell it at Northern Tool or something like that. But I'm gonna do my exmark mower 60 inches. And I got roughly 4 acres to cut. And I never have time. It doesn't take that long, but it's more time consuming than what I have to give to it. And then because I never say no to anybody when it comes to working on stuff or cutting the neighbor's yard or the other neighbor's yard or both their houses, I have no time. Their yard this year got almost 2 feet deep before I got to it, and it's like cutting it 3 times. I still have to go back and finish it. So I'm gonna take parts from when I parted out. Here's a 60-inch deck, pretty much the same deck. One's an 05 and one's a 10. I'm gonna put a self-contained motor on it, an electric clutch, and put a bogey wheel system on it so I can jog it off to the side of this mower. And I think with overlap, at 60, 120, should be able to do 100, 110 inches every pass. So I'll probably go and cut around all the trees, the fence line, and when I get to all the open, big, flat area with the, minimum turning or tight stuff, I'll hook to this, fire it up, and I'll have some kind of system with a pin that this can jog and be offset either way. I'm gonna try making it so it's reversible and I can shoot the grass the same way or opposite of each other to see if it'll actually stripe it. But stay tuned, that's tonight's build. So, I know I have a lot of projects all piled up right here. You got your, bam, 60-inch exmark 0 turn. You have 5 minutes to cut your yard, and you have 5 acres. It's not gonna happen. So then, boom, you tie it to your portable 60-inch, I don't know what the fuck to call it, pull behind half an exmark, self-contained motor, dash out of another tractor for the controls, hookup. And now we can cut, I know 60 and 60, we got 120. I'm probably gonna overlap a foot, 10 inches or so. So we're doing roughly 100 inches of yard. If I can pull this fucking big ass motherfucking thing, we'll see in the next video. I was thinking I might as well get this goofy thing rolling out so it looks hideous. I have a lot of odds and ends to finish, but the rough idea is finished. This is my pull behind mower for this. Let's see if I can set this up. I got a blade clink in the deck, but that's an easy fix. This stupid contraption works. Now, will the 0 turn pull it and mow? 100 plus inches of cutting, here we come. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. use the hood. Or not. It kind of looks like a bug. Like a spider, praying mantis, tick. It is built from a Lazer Z exmark, a bunch of extra steel and bogies, and a Craftsman that had a Vanguard 16 horse V-twin. But I'm not thinking the hood's a bad idea because I'll have lights. Kind of gives it a store-bought look. I don't know. But it does kind of look like a bug. The next deal is my hitch. I'm going to make a bar that goes across each one of these, and then it can go on here with an adjustment, and then it'll track to the side. As you can see, it'll be like driving 2 exmarks down your yard. That's cool. So it probably looks like a ton of work to build this. One, it made some content to show kind of you can make something out of nothing. My schedule with working on customer cars, trying to do YouTube, come up with cool content and projects to build, hanging out with the family and having any free time is absolute zero. It roughly takes me 3 hours to mow 4 acres of this yard, and I'm hoping that this will cut it in half. And I believe that it was successful and that did work. And now, as you can see, my yard is 2 feet tall and overgrown, and that's why you see the amount being skipped, that it's skipping. Later on in the video, you'll see I go over it when it's normal length, and it's almost a perfect cut. And of course, with a project like this, there is some bugs to work out. All the blades pretty much need to be sharpened. I need a belt on my main mower pulling everything. But so far, so good. And later on in the season, that is the device I'm going to make an attachment for the power tracks to go in the swamp and be able to mow the cattails. Pretty much the most versatile off-road mower possible. It should be pretty cool.